Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus Mk3. This one will be generation 2012 to 2018 and we'll show you guys where to find the relay for your horn. Okay, if your steering wheel horn does not work guys, we'll show you which relay to check. There is also a fuse. Check out the video for the fuse guys. It could be very helpful as well, but if your horn doesn't work, we'll show you which one it is. Now, in the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, just don't hesitate to drop a comment below the video, and we'll try to make a video for your problem. We'll do our best at least to do that. So, open the hood. Right next to the car battery is your fuse box. You need to remove the cover. There is a notch that you press in, pull up. Okay, there is kind of like two clips here, so help them to come out a little bit. They come only in a certain angle. If you flip it this way guys, okay, relays are usually numbered with R in front of the number. Fuses are with F. So we need to locate relay number 2, R2. So this one will be the first one in this row from top to right. So let me show you now. If you hold that cover like that, it reflects where the position of the relay or the fuse will be in the fuse box. So in our case, okay, this is the relay, R2. This is the horn relay. So grab it really hard and kind of like wiggle it a little bit, and eventually it comes out. Okay, you can see like that. So this is guys the relay. We will have, okay, the parts and the new relay that we're going to use in the description of the video below, okay, for your convenience. So let me grab the new one quick. Okay, this is our brand new relay now. So we're going to go ahead, install it. Check out the video how to test them guys, because that could save you quite a bit of money as well. And just, okay, push it in all the way. Now, one of those fuses is for the horn as well. Check out the video because that could be really confusing. Another thing that you can do, okay, if you have a relay with the same code, okay, same part number, you can exchange them, flip them to see if that's going to solve your problem. There is only one that could work, and it's, in our case, it's this one here. After that, if it's a bad relay, replace it immediately. If not, try to find the problem somewhere else. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.